Welcome second year student. Paper is calculus of several variable. Unit number 4, double and triple integration. And this is video of area by double integration. To find the area of the region by using double integration. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Formula to calculate area by double integration. Area by double integration. The area bounded by the curve y equal to f1x, y equal to f2x, x equal to a and x equal to b. First draw the region of this area. So for that draw these two lines. This point is origin O. This line is x-axis. This line is y-axis. Then the curve y equal to f1x. Assume that this curve is y equal to f1x and assume that this curve is y equal to f2x. This curve y equal to f1x, this curve y equal to f2x. Now draw the line x equal to a and x equal to b. Both the line are parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Suppose x equal to a is this line and x equal to b is this line. Then the region bounded by these four lines, x is a, x is b, the curve y equal to f1x and the curve y equal to f2x. Mean this region, area of this region a equal to integration x varies from a to b, integration y varies from f1x to f2x dy dx. This is formula to calculate area of this region. Or simply the formula is area is equal to double integration dx dy. Means function is 1. Means area is equal to double integration dx dy. This is formula to calculate area of the given region. Now by using the formula of area, evaluate some example. Example number 1. Using double integral, find the area of this circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. Find the area of this circle. Now we know this circle is in standard form. Standard form means center, origin and radius is a. This equation is in standard form whose center is 0, 0 and radius is a. So for that draw the diagram. Two line x-axis and y-axis. This point is origin 0, 0. This line is x-axis whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y-axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Now draw the circle whose center 0, 0 and radius a. So this is a circle. Center, origin, radius a. So this point is a0. This point is a0. Consider the region of circle in first quadrant only. Consider region of circle in first quadrant only. Now this region is in between the line x is 0 and the line passing through point A and parallel to y-axis. This line. This line is parallel to y-axis. So whose equation is x equal to a. Means this region is in between these two lines. In between these two lines. And total area of this circle. Here we require to find area of this circle. Total area is equal to 4 times area of this part. 4 times area of this part. If we find area of this part, then total area is 4 times of this part. Area of circle equal to 4 times area of this circle in the first quadrant only. And in the first quadrant, limits are this part is in between x is 0, x is a, x varies from 0 to a. Now value of y varies from, for that draw strip. Now in this strip y varies from this line to this curve. Now here equation of line is y equal to 0 means y varies from 0 to this curve. We know equation of curve is x square plus y square equal to a square. So y square equal to a square minus x square and y is equal to plus minus square root of a square minus x square. But in the first quadrant only positive values. So y varies from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square. And therefore area is equal to area of this circle. Therefore area of this circle equal to 4 times. Now area of this circle in the first quadrant. In first quadrant the limits of integration are integration x varies from 0 to a, integration y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square dy dx. This is formula to calculate area. Now evaluate this integration. Therefore is equal to 4 times integration x varies from 0 to a, integration of dy is y varies from 0 to square root a square minus x square dx. Now here first put the value of y is upper limit, then minus put the value of y is lower limit 0. Therefore we get is equal to 4 times integration x varies from 0 to a, inside the bracket put the value of y is upper limit square root a square minus x square minus of put the value of y is 0 dx is equal to 4 times integration limit x varies from 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx. Now this is standard formula of integration. 4 times integration of square root a square minus x square is x upon 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x upon a, limit x varies from 0 to a. Now here first put the value of x is a, then minus of put the value of x is 0. So is equal to 4. Now first put the value of x is upper limit a. So a upon 2 square root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse a upon a minus of put the value of x is 0. X is 0, so this term is 0 minus 0 minus of a square by 2 sine inverse 0 minus a square by 2 sine inverse 0. Now a square minus a square 0, so 4 times this first term is 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus a square by 2 sine inverse of 0 is 0. So is equal to we get 4 inside the bracket a square by 2 sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 and this term is 0. Then this 4 and 4 cancel, so remains only pi a square, This is area of this circle, so write down square unit. Area of this circle is pi a square unit. Answer. Example second, using double integral, find the area of the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Solution. Given equation of ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. This ellipse is in standard form. Therefore a square equal to 25 and b square equal to 16. Therefore a is 5 and b equal to 4. First draw the diagram. These two lines, this point is origin, this line is x-axis whose equation is y equal to 0. This line is y-axis whose equation is x equal to 0. Now the point, we required 1.50. This point is on the x-axis, this point is 50. Draw the ellipse passing through point A. Therefore this is a ellipse passing through point A. Now consider the region of the ellipse in the first quadrant only. Consider this region. Then total area of the ellipse is 4 times area of this region. 4 times area of this region is total area of the ellipse. Now this region is in between x is 0 and from this line parallel to y-axis, this line is parallel to y-axis whose equation is x equal to 5. Means this region is in between x is 0, x is 5. Area of the ellipse equal to 4 times area of the ellipse in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant shaded region limits are. In the shaded region limits are. X varies from 0 to 5. Now find the value of y. So for that draw one strip in this way. Now here y is 0 and find the value of y by using equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Therefore y square by 16 is equal to 1, and this term on right hand side become minus x square by 25. So y square equal to 16. Inside the bracket LCM is 25, so 25 minus x square, and therefore y is equal to plus or minus root 16 is 4, root 25 is 5, and this is in square root 25 minus x square. Y equal to plus minus 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square. Now in the first quadrant y is positive, so take only plus sign. Y equal to plus 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square. So y varies from this line to ellipse. Y varies from 0 to 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square, and therefore area of the ellipse equal to 4 times area of ellipse in first quadrant. So 4 times integration limit x varies from 0 to 5. Next integration limit y varies from 0 to 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square dy dx. Now first integrate with respect to y. This is integration dy. Integration dy is y only, so is equal to 4. Integration limit x varies from 0 to 5. Integration dy is y. Y varies from 0 to 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square dx. Now first put the value of y is upper limit 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square. Then put the value of y is lower limit 0 is equal to 4. Integration limit x varies from 0 to 5. First put the value of y is upper limit, so 4 by 5 square root 25 minus x square minus of put the value of y is lower limit 0 dx is equal to, we get this constant term 4 by 5 out of the integration, so 4 into 4 16 by 5. Integration x varies from 0 to 5 in square root 5 square minus x square dx. Now this integration is in the form integration square root a square minus x square dx. Now we know formula, standard formula of integration is x upon 2 square root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Use this formula here, so 16 by 5 inside the bracket x upon 2 square root 5 square minus x square plus 25 by 2 sin inverse x upon 5. Limit x varies from 0 to 5. Now first put upper limit, the value of x is 5, so 16 by 5 x equal to 5, so 5 upon 2 square root 5 square minus 5 square plus 25 by 2 sin inverse 5 upon 5 minus of put the value of x is lower limit 0, so this is 0 minus 25 by 2 sin inverse 0 equal to, we get 16 by 5 inside the bracket 5 square minus 5 square 0, so this first term is 0 plus 25 by 2 sin inverse of 5 upon 5 is sin inverse 1 minus of 25 by 2 sin inverse 0 is 0, so this term is 0. So equal to 16 by 5 inside the bracket remains only one term 25 by 2 into sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Now 16 upon 4 is 4 only, 25 upon pi is 5 only. So 5 into 4 is 20 pi. So is equal to 20 pi square unit is area of the given ellipse. Example number 3. Find the area bounded by the parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4ay by double integration. So for that, first draw the diagram of this curve. First one parabola y square equal to 4x and second one x square equal to 4ay. So for that, first consider x axis and y axis. This point is origin, this line is x axis, this line is y axis. Now the parabola y square equal to 4x opening right side of the y axis, this parabola is y square equal to 4x. Now next parabola x square equal to 4ay opening above the x axis, this parabola is x square equal to 4ay. Now the region in between these two parabola, this region, and find area of this region. Find the area of this region. Now find point of intersection. This point of intersection is 0, 0. Now find this point of intersection. We obtain the coordinate of point of intersection. So for that, consider equation of parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4ay. Consider this parabola x square equal to 4ay. Squaring both sides, we get x raised to 4 equal to square is 16a square y square. Put the value of y square is 4x, so 16a square, value of y square is 4x, so we get x raised to 4 equal to 16 into 4 is 64, a square into a is a cube into x. Therefore we get x raised to 4 minus 64 a cube x equal to 0. Now here x common, inside the bracket x cube minus 64 a cube equal to 0. So we get x is 0 or x cube equal to 64 a cube. X is 0 or x cube equal to 64 a cube. So x is 0 or x equal to 4a. X is 0 or x equal to 4a. So we get x varies from 0 to 4a. X varies from 0 to 4a. In this region, x varies from 0 to 4a. Now find point of intersection. When x is 4a, put the value of x is 4a in equation of parabola. So y square equal to 4a and put the value of x is 4a. So we get 4a bracket square. Taking square root, y is 4a, x is 4a, y is 4a, means 4a is point of intersection. Now draw the line x is 0, y axis. Next line x equal to 4a. This line passing through this point and parallel to y axis. This line is x equal to 4a. Therefore, in this region, x varies from 0 to 4a. X varies from 0 to 4a. And y varies from this curve to this curve. Y varies from this curve. X square equal to 4ay. So y equal to x square upon 4a. And on this curve, y is equal to square root 4x, means y equal to 2 root x. Therefore y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root x. Therefore required area equal to integration x varies from 0 to 4a, integration y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root x dy dx. Now first integrate with respect to y. So is equal to integration x varies from 0 to 4a, integration dy is y varies from x square by 4a to 2 root x dx. Now here first put the value of y is upper limit, then minus of put the value of y is lower limit. So is equal to integration x varies from 0 to 4a. First put the value of y is upper limit, so 2 root x minus of put the value of y is lower limit, x square upon 4a dx. Therefore is equal to, we get separate into two integral. In first integral, 2 root a constant out of the integration. Integration x varies from 0 to 4a, root x means x raised to 1/2 dx, minus of in second integration 1 upon 4a constant, integration x varies from 0 to 4a x square dx is equal to 2 root a. Integration of x raised to 1/2 is x raised to 1/2 plus 1, means x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. X varies from 0 to 4a, minus 1 upon 4a, integration x square is x cube by 3, x varies from 0 to 4a is equal to, we get 1 upon 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 into this 2 is 4 root a upon 3. Inside the bracket first put upper limit, x is 4a, so 4a raised to 3 by 2 minus 0, minus of 1 upon 3 into 4 12a, 1 upon 12a, inside the bracket 4a cube minus 0. So equal to, we get 4 root a upon 3. Now 4a raised to 3 by 2 is 4a raised to 1, 4a raised to 1 into 4a raised to 1/2 means square root 4a, minus of 1 upon 12a, 4a bracket cube is 64a cube is equal to, we get 4 root a into 4a into root 4 is 2 root a upon 3 minus of divided by 4 minus of 16a square by 3. Now simplify this term. 4 into 4, 16 into 2 is 32a square upon 3 minus 16a square by 3. LCM is 3. So 32a square minus 16a square by 3 is equal to 16a square by 3 square unit is the answer. Write down some problem as a homework. By using double integral, find the area of this circle. X square plus y square is 25. Next, by using double integral, find the area of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And next, find area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y by using double integration. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and share to our friend. Thank you.